In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust brightness on Windows 10. Whether your screen looks too dark, too bright, or is straining your eyes, these simple methods will help you fix it quickly. Let's start with the fastest way. First, click the Action Center icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, next to the clock. You'll see a brightness slider or button. Click it to increase or decrease the brightness instantly. This is the quickest option for most laptops. Now let's use the Settings menu for more control. Click the Start menu, then open Settings. Go to System and select Display from the left side. At the top, you'll see a brightness slider. Move it left to make the screen dimmer or right to make it brighter. This method works best on laptops and tablets. If you're using a desktop computer with an external monitor, brightness is usually controlled from the monitor itself. Look for physical buttons on the side or bottom of your monitor. Open the Monitor menu and adjust brightness from there. Next, let's check automatic brightness, if available. In Display Settings, scroll down and look for Change Brightness Automatically when lighting changes. If you see it, you can turn it on or off depending on your preference. One more useful option is Night Light, which reduces eye strain. In Display Settings, turn on Night Light. This doesn't change brightness, but it makes the screen warmer and easier on your eyes, especially at night. And that's how you adjust brightness on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.